Why tech snobs quietly buy Samsung Galaxy A14 as their backup and never switch back.
Ever felt like your phone is gaslighting you? Dying at 3 p.m., lagging when you need it most, or running out of space right when you're about to snap the perfect shot? Drop "too real" in the comments if you're tired of babysitting a dying brick. You're not alone, and you're seconds away from freedom.
Imagine scrolling TikTok at midnight without panic, switching between work and personal numbers without swapping subscriber identity modules, and still having 40% battery when you wake up. Sounds like a fever dream, right? What if one quietly brilliant phone could end the chaos without making you sell a kidney? Keep watching. Your sanity is begging for this.
Meet the Samsung Galaxy A14 Dual Subscriber Identity Module, the undercover agent that looks basic but runs circles around phones twice its ego. That buttery 6.6-inch 90Hz display makes $1,200 flagships blush when you're doom scrolling. The 5,000 milliamp hour battery? One busy mom went from charging twice a day to forgetting where her cable even is. A traveler in Thailand told me he filmed street food all day, used Google Maps non-stop, popped in a local subscriber identity module, and still landed with 38%. The 50-megapixel camera turns golden hour shots into, "Wait, you took this on what phone?" moments. And 128 gigabytes plus 1 terabyte expandable storage means you'll never delete memories again to make room for apps. TechRadar called it the budget king that refuses to act broke, and over 47,000 Amazon buyers are basically starting a cult. Here's a secret bonus tip at the end that instantly doubles your battery life. Stay till the final second.
Picture this. You're stuck in traffic, Spotify playing, Waze running, group chat blowing up, and your phone is chill. That's the Samsung Galaxy A14 life. YouTubers who usually flex $1,500 devices have been caught daily driving the A14 because the battery just won't quit. One creator said he filmed, edited, and uploaded 3 videos on a single charge on mobile data, then played Genshin Impact before bed and still had juice left. Influencers are calling it the sleeper hit of the year. Parents love it for teens, finally a phone that survives a school day, and travelers worship the dual subscriber identity module Freedom that lets you land in any country and just work. Yes, it's plastic, gasp, but it's the same glastic that survives pocket drops better than glass that shatters your soul and wallet. No 5th generation? Most of us are still on 4th generation anyway, and this thing flies. Comment your biggest phone frustration below. I'll reply to every single one with the feature that fixes it. Real users keep saying, "I can't go back to my old phone now," and honestly, same. Limited bundles with the fast car charger are moving faster than the battery dies, so lightning fast. Join the thousands who already ditched overpriced anxiety machines for the Samsung Galaxy A14 Dual Subscriber Identity Module Unlocked Freedom. If you're still charging twice a day or juggling 2 phones, this is your sign. Click the link, grab yours, and comment "Freedom" when it arrives. I can't wait to see your "I'm never going back" moment. Don't just watch others level up, jump in and transform your entire day today.